In 2 months, we did over 80,000 euros dropshipping on the Dutch Amazon called bol.com. I'm gonna show you how we did this. I'm gonna show you how you can do this. And I'm even gonna show you the products we sold. So believe me, you wanna watch this video. I just signed in bol.com. And for example, we have here a cat basket or a nice dog basket, pink. And you see here, Rick's Winkel is selling it for 57 euros with a shipping time of 1 to 2 weeks. So this means Rick is a dropshipper. And if you go to AliExpress and we type in, for example, dog basket, and we filter then on, for example, Spain, because we only want to work with Europe suppliers. You see here, hey, this is the same basket. 60 centimeters. Let's ship it from Belgium to the Netherlands within 7 days. And Rick is selling it for 57 euros. Here you can buy it for 21 euros. The difference, that is your profit. The benefits, dropshipping on bol.com versus Shopify dropshipping. You only work with European suppliers. You have fast shipping times from 3 to 7 days. People trust bol.com 100%. It's just like Amazon. You only need 50 euros to start. When you're dropshipping on bol.com, you sell good quality products. That is because at bol.com you need to give a good service. You need to have fast shipping times. And when you are gonna sell less expensive products from China with 2 weeks shipping times, then you're just gonna get problems with bol.com. Bol.com closes your store. Just don't deliver from China. Oh hell no! How did we do more than 20,000 euros in our first month? What kind of products did we sold? What was the profit margin? And how can you do this too? There's only one thing you need to focus on when you start dropshipping on bol.com, and that is add as many products as you can to your bol store. In the first month, the revenue of the store was about 20,000 euros, and this was done with about 200 products on the store. What kind of products do you sell? Great question. You literally sell everything. So you sell mirrors to kids toys to now winter season products. So you sell products between the 40 euros to 280 euros to even we sold Philips TVs of 700 euros plus. Damn! So you literally just sell everything. Yeah, so the revenue of the first month, the profit was about 30%, and the revenue mostly came from one product, and that was the CO2 detector, black and white. It was by far the best seller. We also bought inventory of this product, shipped it to the Netherlands, and now we have that fulfillment and sell it every day. Dropshipping on bol.com is a great way to test products. You see, hey, this product is selling a lot, then you buy inventory, and then you even sell even more of the product, so it's just great. Give this video a big fat like, and also subscribe to the channel.
Smash that like button, boys!
And then we continue, because we still have a lot to go. What is so great about the business model is that you don't need any money to start. Adding products to bol.com is free, and having a bol.com store is also free. It is not like Shopify that you need to pay a monthly fee every month. And to start dropshipping on bol.com, you need 2 things. One is you need to have a company. If you don't have one, 50 euros. Go to the Chamber of Commerce, 50 euros, and you'll have one in the Netherlands. And the second thing is you need to buy some EAN codes, AIN codes.
Get out of here! Get out of here!
Now, what is an EIN code? Every product you add to bol.com needs to be linked to a unique code, and to do that is very simple. You don't need to be technical at all. I'm just gonna show you really quick how to do it. So for that we go to einbarcode.nl, for example, and then we buy for 20 euros 100 codes, so we can add 100 products to bol.com. We paste them in an Excel sheet, we copy the code, then we go to bol.com. And then if we're here in the home menu, and then we go to articles, and we go to add article, and we just copy the code here. And then we just, let's say this is for a toothbrush. Now, we just linked this code to a toothbrush. That is how simple it is, guys. You don't need to be technical at all. you watch our videos, I want you to get at least 10,000 euros in your first month dropshipping on bol.com. And to accomplish that, it is really doable. There's only one thing you need to focus on, and that is add as many products as you can every day to your bol store. The more products you have on your store, the more money you are gonna make. And as you see in this picture, what you see is the more products were added to the store, the more the revenue increased by every week. So focus on add as many products as you can every day. To find profitable products, we go to AliExpress or to Big Buy. For example, let's go to AliExpress and then we type in a random product. Let's take the pulse oximeter. And then what we do is we filter on orders. So we get the most popular products first. And then we also filter on Europe, because we want to have Europe suppliers. So we filter on Spain, France, Czechia, Poland or Germany. To see 7-day delivery, 14,000 sold, that is perfect. Let's take this one. And if we check here, what we see, hey, it ships from Poland within 7 days to the Netherlands, that is perfect. Another way to find products is what you see here is this a store with 300,000 followers. That is insane, that's crazy. And you also see 79%, that's perfect. So this means this is a top brand, this is a really good store. And what you can do is we can go to the store itself, then we filter on top selling. And we just go to top selling and we select, for example, this product. And what you see, probably it also ships also from Europe. So we can add just also this product, list this whole store to bol.com. Your time is valuable and I probably know you are also very busy. So that is why we always think, how can I help the best? How can I make this the most valuable video possible? And how can I make sure you get the same results or even better results than we do? And that is why we are now going into our stores. We are literally gonna show you every product we sold, how we did 80,000 euros in 2 months, so that you can also sell the products and you can also make money. This is store number 1. We started in November and we got 20,000 euros in our first month. If you go to the last month, December, we also got 20,000 euros. This year, 45,000 euros. By far the best seller was a CO2 detector. Then we had some heated gloves, another CO2 detector, another CO2 detector. Because it was Christmas, we had some Christmas decoration. Yeah, so this is our second store. The month we started, November, 7k. Last month, 20k. And this year it was 30k. So the best selling products: heated slippers, car heater, heated vest, some toys for kids, and also again something heated. So yes guys, these were the products. I hoped I helped you like this. A lot of winter products worked well for us because it was really cold in the Netherlands. If you like this video or learned from this video, like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below what kind of videos you want to see, so we know how we can help you the best. I just want to give really quick one big shout out to Brian and Vincent.
Shout out to everybody, I had fun.
They are literally the best at dropshipping on bol.com and helped us a lot. If you like this video and you are interested in dropshipping on bol.com, check these guys out, and then I'll see you in the next video.